Painting old tiles with a fresh new color. Tools and supplies you'll need include a measuring tape, tile cleaner, sponges, fine grit sandpaper, a power sander, painter's tape, drop cloths, foam roller, and paint brushes, a primer, tile paint, gloves, safety goggles, ear protectors, and a mask. Painting kitchen tiles is a great way to refresh your space without the cost of replacing them, and you can choose any color you want.
To make sure I chose the perfect color, I went to Koiman and picked some swatches. There were so many great options, I'm going with a light green to freshen things up.
To help determine how much primer and paint you'll need, measure the surface area of the tiles in your kitchen. Write the measurements down. Consult with your Koiman expert for the amount of supplies you'll need based on your type of tiles and how many coats you'll need to apply. Clear off your countertop space completely to make it easy to work. Next, it's important to clean the tiles to remove any grease or grime. Rinse and dry them completely before heading to the next step.
After cleaning the tiles, we're gonna sand them with a fine grit sandpaper. Sanding will help the paint adhere to the tiles better. When done, wipe the dust off with a wet cloth.
We're almost ready to paint. First, we'll do a little prep work and protect the surrounding areas. Use painter's tape around countertops, cabinets, and walls. Cover counters and stovetops with a drop cloth to prevent drips. Remove outlet covers to avoid getting paint on them. Before the layer of paint, you'll need to apply a primer for your specific tile. Apply a thin coat using a foam roller. Be sure to allow it to dry completely per the product instructions.
For the tile paint, use one that's durable and washable.
A roller will give a smooth finish. Brushes are great for edges and grout lines. Apply the necessary amount of coats and allow for proper drying time.
It was a bit of work, but so worth it. I'm all smiles with my new tiles.